Hello and welcome back to Simple English Lab. Today we are learning how to talk about the future using will and going to. Let's get started. What is future tense? We use the future tense to talk about things that haven't happened yet. In English, we often use two main forms to speak about the future: will, going to. Both are correct, but we use them in different situations. Use of will. We use will to talk about decisions made at the moment of speaking, predictions, promises, or offers. Examples of will: I am hungry. I'll order a pizza. Decision now. I think it will rain tomorrow. Prediction. Don't worry, I'll help you. Promise. Structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. I will go. She will come. They will win. Short form: I'll, you'll, he'll, etc. I'll call you later. Using of going to. We use going to for plans or intentions, predictions based on present evidence. I'm going out to start a new course next week. Plan. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Evidence now. Structure. Subject plus am is are plus going to plus base verb. I'm going to sleep. She is going to visit her grandma. We are going to watch a movie. Quick tip: if you decide right now, use will. If you have already planned it, use going to. Practice time: fill in the blanks. I forgot to buy milk. I blank go to the store. They are blank visit their cousins next month. It looks dark outside. It's blank rain soon. I blank help you with the homework. Answers: I forgot to buy milk. I'll go to the store. Decision made now. They're going to visit their cousins next month. Planned action. It looks dark outside. It's going to rain soon. Evidence based prediction. Don't worry, I'll help you with the homework. Promise. Thanks for watching Simple English Lab. Now you know when to use will and going to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next lesson. Bye.